The primary purpose of applying lime to fish pond. Again, the primary purpose of applying lime to fish pond. Anyways, kung na na view nyo or nag-attend kayo kahapon ng session natin, ayan, ma-answer nyo ito. A, to correct soil acidity. B, to eliminate dangerous organism. C, to add fertility to the soil. And letter D, to kill predatory aquatic organisms. And bakit naglalagay nga ba tayo ng apog sa ating fish pond? Sino ba sa inyo dito yung may mga fish ponds? So most of you answered letter A, this is to correct soil acidity. Ang una na layunin ng ating apog or ng ating agricultural lime, una is to correct soil acidity. After na makorrect yung soil acidity, hindi na siya acidic para sa ating mga organism, that is soon na magra-rise ang population ng algae or ng ating lablab, and yun na yung magiging source ng pagkain ng ating mga isda. So ang ating agricultural lime or apog is also known as calcium carbonate. Now, baka sa question on September, ang lalabas is what is the function of calcium carbonate? So, calcium carbonate still is apog or agricultural lime. Okay?